Never thought I'd be able to tell this story standing on my own 2 feet, but here I am thanks to a miracle that changed my life forever. For 38 years, I was trapped in a body that wouldn't move. The Pool of Bethesda was my home, my prison, and my only hope. You see, the pool wasn't just any pool. It was said that an angel would come down and stir the waters. The first person to enter after the stirring would be healed of whatever disease they had. Can you imagine the hope that filled the air? The desperation. Every day, I'd watch as others rushed to the water when it stirred, hoping for healing. But I could never make it in time. My legs wouldn't move. My arms were too weak. I was always too late. Year after year, I lay there, watching others receive their miracles while I remained broken. But I never gave up hope. I believed that one day, somehow, I too would be healed. And then, on a day like any other, everything changed. Then one Sabbath, a man unlike any other appeared.
Do you want to get well?
His question caught me off guard. Of course I wanted to be healed, but how could I explain my helplessness? Sir, I have no one to help me into the pool when the water is stirred. While I'm trying to get in, someone else always goes down ahead of me. I expected him to offer to help me into the pool, but what he said next changed everything.
Get up, pick up your mat and walk.
In that moment, something incredible happened. I felt strength surge through my body for the first time in decades. It was as if life itself was pouring into my limbs, chasing away the weakness and pain. I stood up. I actually stood up, and then I walked. Can you imagine? After 38 years of lying helpless, I was walking. I wanted to shout, to dance, to run, and tell everyone what had happened. But my joy was short-lived. The Jewish leaders saw me carrying my mat on the Sabbath and confronted me. It is the Sabbath. The law forbids you to carry your mat. I explained that the man who healed me told me to carry it, but I didn't even know his name. The leaders were more concerned about their rules than the amazing thing that had happened to me. Later, Jesus found me at the temple. His words struck my heart.
See, you are well again. Stop sinning or something worse may happen to you.
At first I was confused. Was he saying my paralysis was because of sin? But as I reflected on his words, I understood. This wasn't just about physical healing, it was about spiritual renewal, about living a life pleasing to God. I began to see my healing as a call to a new way of life, one filled with purpose and compassion. From that day on, my life was never the same. I'd been given a second chance, a new beginning. This miracle wasn't just about physical healing, it was about faith, obedience, and the power of God's love. Now I share my story with anyone who will listen, hoping they too will believe in the one who can make the impossible possible. My story is a testament to his power, his love, and his grace, and I'll never stop thanking him for the day he told me to pick up my mat and walk.